This video was a request. Lucas McSherry gets grounded season 3. Get here! Ah! I'm not gonna let you get away! Ha! You don't hit me! Lucas McSherry stabs Banana with the screwdriver and gets grounded. I finally have the screwdriver. Now I'm going to talk to Banana. Hey, Banana. Hey, Lucas, what's up? Wait a minute. Is that a screwdriver? Does it hurt? Yes, it does hurt. Oh, shut up! You know what? I'm telling. No, I'm sorry, Banana. Please don't tell. Too late. I hate you, terrible. Please, give me one more chance. I'm gonna tell Daddy. You better not say sorry at all, because guess what? I'm gonna tell Daddy. Daddy! No, I'm gonna miss home forever. Stay. Oh no, what am I gonna do? Another fucking boring day. Daddy, what the fuck do you want? Lucas McSherry stabs me with a screwdriver. Hey, what? I'm gonna go grab him right now. Okay. So relaxed. Lucas! Uh-oh. Lucas! What do you want, Notebook? Banana just told me you've been stabbing him with a screwdriver. You're grounded. You're grounded. Get off the couch. Okay. How dare you stab Banana with a screwdriver? That's it. You're so grounded. Now go to your room. Yeah, that's right. You go to your room. Let's watch TV. Okay. The end.